Hello everyone, this is the EVS class for standard 5th. This is the part 2nd of chapter 4, Water a Wonderful Liquid. The end of this module, you will be able to find out the materials that sink and float in water and understand the concept of sinking and floating. Some materials sink and some float in water. Let's do a small activity in front of you. Floating and sinking objects. There are some objects float in water and some that sink. Take 3 glasses of water and separate beaker. Take oil, small pebbles and dry leaves. Add all 3 materials to the 3 glasses respectively. Observe that oil floats on water and forms separate layer. The pebbles sink in water and settle at the bottom of the glass. The dry leaves float on water as they are very light in weight. This demonstration gives us an idea about objects that sink and float. Children, do you know why this happens? Means why some materials sink and some float in water? Let me explain you. Before explaining you, you have to understand what is displaced water. Have you ever thrown a stone in water? Let's see what happens. As you see, when we throw stone in water, stone displaced some amount of water. We can say it is displaced water. Let's see what happens when we put an iron nail in water. Now take a beaker and fill about 2/3 of it with water. Drop an iron nail in it. The iron nail sinks in water and settles down at the bottom of the beaker. Only those things sink in water that are heavier than the displaced water. We can say that iron is heavier than water. It means the weight of iron nail is heavier more than the weight of water displaced by iron nail. Substances like iron, copper, stone, and chalk are heavier than water. That's why they sink in water. Whereas substances like wood, plastics, ice, and oil are lighter than water. That's why they float in water. Let us understand why some materials float in water. Now take another beaker and fill about 2/3 of it with water. Drop a small piece of wood in this water. The piece of wood does not sink in water. The material that floats on water is lighter than water. So wood is lighter than water. It means here the weight of wooden block is lighter than the weight of water displaced by wooden block. Due to this, wooden piece floats. So, this is the whole idea of sinking and floating.